Fitglow beauty nerds, my name is Andrea. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm here to talk to you about nighttime products. I think it's really important to understand what your body is going through while you sleep. You'll notice that when you're sleeping, your breathing slows down, your heart rate slows down, your hearing's not as sharp, and that's because all of its energy, all of its focus is being redirected to rejuvenating and repairing itself. Your body is scanning itself to see all the damage that it's incurred throughout the day. And that could be anything from sore, achy muscles to breakout that your body needs to clear up, or something as small as a paper cut. All of this is happening while we sleep. That's why at night it's so important to make sure that your routine has these ingredients that are completely treatment-based, because our skin needs a little extra help. So let's take a look at these 3 different products that are going to help enhance your nighttime. So the first product I want to share with you is the Night Lip Serum, and this features plant ceramides, vegetable collagen, organic pomegranate sterols, and organic beet extract. And all of these ingredients are working together to help infuse your lips with essential moisture and instantly plump them, which is going to help to reduce the appearance of any fine lines and wrinkles and give them the necessary hydration, because the skin on our lips is one of the thinnest places on our body. Plus, it's helping to improve the overall barrier health to block out any unwanted aggressors from attacking, while promoting microcirculation, which is essential for rejuvenation. And if you've fallen in love with our Night Lip Serum, you're gonna be head over heels for our brand new Night Lash and Brow Serum. This serum features lupine plant proteins, plant-based peptides, grape stem cell extract, and horsetail plant extract. And all of these ingredients are combining to help really anchor your lash and brow hair to the lash and brow line. So it's going to strengthen those hair follicles by infusing it with moisture, which is going to plump them and give you a thicker, conditioned, fuller appearance. And because it's conditioning these hairs, your lashes and your brows are more flexible, so you have less breakage and less thinning. Plus, it's just creating a healthy environment for those hairs to thrive throughout their life cycle because of the essential microcirculation that's happening, which is essential for healthy hair and skin to really thrive. And for the grand finale, we have the Night Essence. And the Night Essence features multi-layer hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, and bakuchiol, which is a plant-based alternative to retinol. So this is an amazing formula because you're getting brightening, hydration, and anti-aging in one mist. So it's really going to help to smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles, even your complexion, infuse the skin with hydration, and resurface for an amazing glow come morning. So there you have it. Make sure you don't go another night without these 3 products. And you don't have to worry about achieving your beautiful, healthy skin goals, because Fitglow Beauty has done all of the heavy lifting. All you have to do is apply.